Today is all about our babies. You know, I've always done soap for the adults and we don't forget our babies. So today, I and my sister at DIY with Favour will be collaborating to bring you two amazing soaps for our babies. I'll be making a Sulphur and Moringa bath soap. You know, sulfur has this antibacterial property that protects our baby's skin from bacteria. And also, moringa is rich in vitamin C and also prevents the skin against breakout. At DIY with Favour, we'll be making a baby and toddler bath soap with great oils like shea butter and jojoba oil. Ensure you check out her channel at DIY with Favour and also subscribe as she has amazing content. Let's go right into our video. Today we'll be learning how to produce sulfur bath soap. Yeah. I'm so excited about this bath soap because it can treat all forms of skin infection. There was a time my baby had rashes. We bought every type of product that we know. Yeah, the rashes persisted until I came down and I produced this particular soap, and we used it within 2 days. Rashes cleared up, so it can be used to treat every form of skin infection as whatever oil, olive oil, but I'm using palm kernel oil because I love the way it lathers and the rest. And I'll be using 500 ml of my palm kernel oil, 500 ml, and I'll be using my light. That's 10 ml is at 1:75, so it's okay. So I'll be doing ratio 1:2, 2 parts of oil and 1 part of my light solution. So let's go right into production. So I'll pour in my oil into my mixing bowl. This will be our mixing bowl for today. And I'll gradually add my lye solution while I stir. And you prepare your lye solution by fermenting it for at least 24 hours. So if you're producing the soap tomorrow, you dissolve your lye solution, your lye in water 24 hours before you start your production. And after that, you take your reading and ensure it is at 1:275. You add everything and you stir. Add gently and you stir. Okay, so you stir, continue stirring until the water is everything is well blended. You can see everything is well blended here. So I'll just add like half teaspoon of my sulfur. This is my sulfur. I'll just add like half teaspoon because I'm not making a big batch. And I'll add my menthol. This is my menthol. I'm using like half wrap. They sell 1 wrap of this menthol for 200 naira. So I'll use just like half. This is my menthol. I'll stir. And I'll also add moringa. Moringa will give my soap the color, the natural green. So I'll just add like 1 spoon of moringa because it's also very rich in minerals and vitamins. To also give my soap that green color of moringa. So I'll just stir. I'm already feeling the cooling effect of the menthol. I love it. I'm smelling that icy feeling of menthol. Look at my soap. Look at how beautiful this soap is. So beautiful. Look at how beautiful our soap is. So it is ready to be poured into our mold and wait for it to solidify. Then we'll come back to cut. So I'm going to pour it into my mold right now. You can see how easy peasy it is for us to produce this bath soap. This is my mold. I already prepared mold. You can see this mold already prepared. If you want that mold we sell, we can also get for you. So I'll just add my soap into my mold. My beautiful sulfur bath soap with moringa. We just finished producing it, but this is our soap. I'm waiting for it to solidify and I'll be cutting it. I'll come back in 24 hours to cut it and I'll show you what the end product is like. It's not beautiful? It's beautiful. Look at our beautiful soap butter. Very beautiful. And we should produce this soap in less than 10 minutes. Not very simple. Yeah, thank you. See how beautiful our moringa and sulfur soap is. Just go ahead, follow the steps outlined in the video and produce yours. This soap is very rich and has antibacterial properties that will help your skin free from blemishes and keep it healthy. Thank you.